Yes, it must have been quite an endearing journey. Of course, it's satisfying right now, but the entire journey, right from the junior program to the senior program to the medal. So, if you can take us through that, that journey right from the beginning till now. So, I think it would be better if you speak about that than me.
It was a long journey, and from 2012 to 2019-20, we did literally conquer the entire world. And these kids were small, young, and to get them to this level, it was a task. But we had a very big team and very good support from government and everywhere. And yes, ultimately we got a medal in Olympic, and it was a long gap for us to get a medal. So it was a good thing, and I'm really happy for her.
So how did you spot her?
Because see, for me, anybody who comes in the national team, I have to look after. So she was there, and then at my level, we are those who do fine tuning. And you can't be everywhere. So she was already there, and yes. Then something happened between, and then last 1 year, she really worked hard. I was just there.
So why do you consider yourself as a guiding force and not like one of those people who saying that I have done this, I have done that?
I have done nothing. So what to claim for? It's her hard work, and what I have done. Like almost a lot of people around us must have done it. Federation, top side, OGQ, physiotherapist, mentor trainer, dietitian. Everybody has played their role.
But you as a psychologist, because she believes in you more than a psychologist.
The player has to believe in the coach.
Yeah. So what is that thing that makes her believe in you? I mean, you must have developed that bonding, that connection.
Connection. It happens. It's basically more of trust than believing. So when you trust somebody with everything, then that's the only thing which makes a difference.
So what are the qualities you like in her?
Nothing. Everything. So there's nothing that I don't have to like, because whatever she is, I don't want to change any way the way she is. She's a hard-working person. She's a good kid. Definitely, everybody has a good or bad, but you can just work on the good things more and things which you want to improve.
So when you and she don't agree sometimes, don't agree sometimes with certain training program or there is a difference of opinion,
that never happens.
So it's always mutual?
Obviously. Because I make program according to her decision, the way she wants. It's not my program, it's her program. I just fine tune that.
Describe about the things you speak with her, because I find that very interesting.
We talk everything.
The motivating parables, the anecdotes, stories.
Everything. Like she talks everything, and she's a very open person. So even if she talks to you, she will talk anything and everything. So I have to tell her, like, no, I am quite vocal, but she's more vocal than me, and sometimes that puts you in trouble.
Yes, but she is now a senior, 22-year-old. You have seen her the last 7 years. You've been with her. So that time, and now, what are the difference you have noticed?
Oh, she is mature. She has a lot of experience about shooting, how to play. This was second Olympics, so it was an advantage for her to shoot the final in more mature way. So she's grown up mentally and emotionally, spiritually. So a lot of things.
And as a child, as a kid, when she first came and
she's same. If you talk about the habits and the way she came.
I mean, how was she? She was as focused as now.
Yeah.
You must have seen something in her.
She was focused, but actually, more you shoot, more you compete, more you lose, more you win. You have a lot of experience, and that always helps.
But you are also talking about junior program right now, that we should revive the junior program which we had some 10 years ago.
So for future, yes. If you're not careful, then we are heading nowhere. Once these people burn out, then what next?
So this is the same thing you are talking about even during the trials.
Yes.
So how do we protect our athletes?
I don't know. The government has to do it. The government has to do it.
और आप काफ़ी एनेक्डोट्स बोलते हैं, जैसे लास्ट टाइम आप बोल रहे थे कि ट्री एज मच एज इट ग्रोज अप जड़ें नीचे जाती हैं. सो एनी न्यू थिंग बिटवीन भोपाल एंड दिस?
A lot of things we keep talking again and again. And even today morning, it was about
You spoke about being really
what did we talk about in the morning?
Can you explain what exactly you've done and how
Who was Arjun's
has
son?
helped you,
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu.
So we talked about it.
What exactly you've done?
He knew how to get in. He did not know how to get out. I said, use your information, use your knowledge
After Tokyo,
to get into the final. Just do it.
Like such a turn that I had,
You win or you die.
I was facing a really hard time.
she won.
And I was like,
Thank you, Jaspal.
Thank you very much.
All the best for the next event.
Thank you very much. It's tomorrow.
Yeah.